All right, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be talking about the Zion Smooth 4 phone gimbal. We're gonna be talking about the price, we're gonna be talking about the features. Here we go. All right guys, so right out of the gate, we're gonna talk about the price. It's 120 bucks, $120. As far as phone gimbals go, that's pretty cheap. The DJI one, depending on which one you get, it can be upwards of 150 to 200, depending on which brand you go with. So I think it's a great way to get into the phone gimbal game, if without breaking the bank. So I've really struggled to find another gimbal that has more features than it does. The Zion Smooth 4 has object tracking. It can do 360 panorama. The gimbal really has everything, like all the features you could really want packed into the app. The app is the ZY Play app, I think. But it's really impressive, honestly. I was kind of fiddling with it, and I've done a couple just like tests of it. I was out in a park, featured in the intro for this video, and I was honestly just really impressed. So it even has a cool like vertigo kind of, I don't know, like film thing that you can do. I don't know, I haven't learned a ton about it. I've tried to use it but I'm not that good at that trick yet. But if you guys are trying again to just get into this kind of arena where honestly like the phone on your camera is becoming more and more like it's replacing DSLRs in a lot of different ways, just with what they're able to do now with just software in the camera itself. So it's not all about the sensor anymore. So how about that? But I don't know. I think honestly that DSLRs are going to stick around for a long time. And that's just because I think the sensors can only get so big on phones, and just having that dynamic range that DSLRs give you, I don't think people are going to, I don't know, really trade that out anytime soon. But that's not to say that there aren't a ton of phonographers or filmographers that use their phones. So yeah, and so this is what it looks like. There you go, there you have it. So you've got the gimbal itself. It comes with a charge cord. It has a little tripod for it to stand up on for doing those, those time lapses. It does time lapsing. Yeah, and you can set as well, like you can set the beginning and end for it, so it'll kind of like, pivot over as time goes by. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of like the bare bones. It has this little like carrying case that comes with it too. I don't know if I said this already, but it does have 12 hours of battery life, so it's huge. It'll last you forever. It'll probably last you longer than your phone battery. And guess what? They thought about that. On the back of this thing, it can be your phone battery. So if you're going and you're shooting stuff, on the back here, right on the side, it's got a little micro USB port so that you can plug that in. And as long as you have some sort of adapter that you can use to plug that into your, I don't know. I have an iPhone, and so I don't know. No, you just have to have the right cord for it. But you can make it work. You can make it work. There are endless dongles out there. So pretty cool. They really kind of thought of everything with this. Another feature of it that I like is that it's got this little focusing knob. And that makes it really easy to pull focus, as well as to change your zooming in and out on the go. So, all right, guys. Well, that was just a lot of just quick information about this phone gimbal. Again, the Zion Smooth 4. I'm pretty happy with it. If you guys want to learn more, I'll put a link in the description for it. It's not an affiliate link, but yeah, easy way to learn some more about it. So, all right, guys. Until next time, if you guys liked the video, feel free to officially like it. And then if you wanted to learn more about this kind of stuff, really I just make videos about tech that I think is really cool and that I enjoy. So consider subscribing for more of videos like that. All right, guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Give me crutch. Go do it.
Go watch.
Do you see that up there? Well, hopefully you can tell that that's a stormtrooper, and that little black thing in front of it. It's a ginormous D20, 20-sided deck. It's pretty cool. Again, bought it on Amazon. Amazon has everything. I did not buy this on Amazon. I actually got this at Goodwill in Redmond, which is close to Seattle. Yeah, I don't know. It was like $3. Cheers. Peace. What's up? What's up? What's up?